Who next?
Wagwan boss man.
Wagwan, what you want?
What you have there?
The menu board there, that's how you know.
Oh yeah, you doing me so? Me a
Then if
regular
you did
customer,
regular,
you know.
you would know say menu never change.
Alright, stew chicken,
No, that done.
jerk chicken,
That just sell after.
oxtail,
Me not serve that till 2 o'clock.
ackee and saltfish.
No, that done too.
You have any jerk pork there?
What you just ask me?
You have any jerk pork, boss man?
Well, me not hear right. What you ask me for?
Some jerk pork.
I disrespect you, disrespect me. Eh? You come in at my place and ask me for that. Me not deal with them that sitting
Me
there.
don't mean it
yeah?
like that, man.
Yeah,
A
disrespect
business.
me. Or you could have asked me for that. You.
A food
Well,
shop, man, a business.
man.
Me name
No.
means to do that.
What you ask me for?
Jerk
No,
pork, but me
repeat
name
them
mean it
sitting
like
there
that,
around
man.
me.
Calm down, man.
Listen, come out of my shop.
But me
Come
name
out
mean it
of
like
my
that,
shop.
man.
Right? Yeah, disrespect me. Yeah,
Come
move
on, man.
funny,
Me
you
a
know.
regular
Now make me
customer.
catch around ya, you know.
Alright, man, me a
come-
left. Me a left.